Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be showing 10 new beautiful limited edition colors by Catrice Cosmetics. These are actually from the Hop Hop Hooray Reloaded 2023 collection. These are super cute, they have bunny ears, bunny faces, just perfect for Easter, which it is exactly today when this video will be going live. So I have purchased these myself. They go for $2.99 each. They contain 10.5 milliliters bottle. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they are very safe to use, of course, if you apply them directly to your nails and not onto the skin. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it here and put a little music under the rest of the footage of the video as far as swatching goes, because even though my cold has subsided, I just woke up with really bad sore throat. So yeah, I had like 1 week of not feeling miserable and sick and everything like that, and I was like, ooh, yes, thankfully I'm like done with it. But now I woke up with a super sore throat, so I don't want to like stress my throat and my vocal cords any more than I'm doing already right now. So yeah, I hope you really don't mind that, and of course thank you guys so much for watching on forehand. I really hope you like this video. It took me quite a little time to actually get my hands on this collection. It just took a couple of weeks, like 3 to 4 weeks, before I actually was able to get them. So yeah, I really hope you like it, and of course let me know which one of the 10 colors is your favorite. I pretty much love, like, I think the final 4 colors are some of my favorites from this collection. They're just really gorgeous. Other than that, just enjoy the rest of the video. I love you guys so much and I hope to see you next time.
Ain't there nothing I can take a set. Leave us belly, leave us big 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 a set. Leave us bel Ain't there nothing I can take a sit down.